holes and cylindrical surfaces.
Hi, my name is Deepthi. Today we are going to learn about how to lap the holes or cylindrical surface.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to lap hole, internal, lap shaft, external, change the abrasive compound on laps. Tools required: vernier height gauge, vernier caliper, equipment required: lathe machine, materials required: raw material. Before starting job, there are some preliminary checks to be made. Those are as follows. First, check the raw material using steel rule. File the part 1 for the overall size, maintaining parallelism and perpendicularity. File the part 2 for the overall size, maintaining parallelism and perpendicularity. Once filing all the two parts has been completed, then prepare all the parts for the markings. Mark off part 1 with vernier height gauge as per drawing. Mark off part 2 with vernier height gauge as per drawing. Once you are done with marking off all the parts with vernier height gauge, the next step to follow is punching. Punch witness mark in part 1. Punch witness mark in part 2. The raw material has been checked, all the parts have been filed, and then they have been marked with vernier height gauge, and at last they have been punched witness mark. Now, all the preliminary checks have been done, we are good to go. Prepare the bore in part 1 as per drawing. Select an adjustable cylindrical lap for lapping hole. Change the abrasive compound, lapping compound, on cylindrical lap. Insert the adjustable cylindrical lap in a cylindrical hole. Rotate the lap forward key, pushing inside the hole, giving a clockwise movement. Note: never remove the lap while lapping. While removing the job from lap holding, and rotate it in clockwise direction and take it out. Clean the lapping hole with kerosene and wipe with soft cloth. Lapping external cylindrical surface shaft, manual process. Prepare shaft as per the diagram. Hold the job in bench-wise or lathe. Select an adjustable ring lap. Charge the abrasive compound in an adjustable ring lap. Insert the abrasive ring lap on the cylindrical surface. Rotate and slide the ring lap forward and backward along the cylindrical surface. Apply light pressure while lapping. Clean the lapped cylindrical surface with kerosene and wipe with soft cloth. We have successfully completed the crafting of the metal parts. Now we are going to assemble it. Check the shaft size using a vernier micrometer. Match shaft with hole. Apply a thin coat of oil and preserve it for evaluation. Now, let's see how to lap holes on the internal and external. A lap is a tool that's used in conjunction with another workpiece to improve the finish on both pieces. Laps are available in many different sizes and shapes, but they all function in the same way. A flat surface or face of the lap is placed against the flat surface of the workpiece and then rotated back and forth. This action polishes both surfaces simultaneously, creating an excellent finish on both parts. Laps come in two main varieties, internal and external. Internal laps are used to polish the inside surface of holes, whereas external laps are used to polish the outside surface of a workpiece. The difference between these two types is that internal laps feature a beveled edge that's designed to fit into the hole or space that it's being used on. Meanwhile, external laps are flat across the entire face, so they can be used on any cylindrical surface. Adjustable lap have interchangeable sleeves made of copper. Laps are sometimes provided with holes which can hold the lapping compound. Ring lapping can be done manually or by holding the work on the lathe while the split ring is moved over the cylindrical surface. The lap should not be removed from the hole while lapping and should travel the full length of the bore. While lapping, the ring lap should slide forward and backward along the workpiece, rotating the lap at the same time in alternate directions. Note: for lapping large diameters, special laps can be prepared and used. Now, let's have a look at the precautions that need to be observed while performing lapping. Do not dwell in the same place while lapping. Keep the lap moist always. Do not add fresh abrasive during lapping. Recharge if necessary. Do not apply excessive pressure while lapping. Safety precautions are to be observed.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to lap hole internal, lap shaft external. Change the abrasive compound on laps. Thus, we have learned how to lap holes and cylindrical surfaces. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.